Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll see about 5 powerful AI prompts every developer should know about. I'm using Gemini AI with Python to run and test them. We'll not only cover the prompts, but I'll also walk you through live code to help you understand how to implement them in your projects. Let's get started. Number 1, code review with suggestions. We can ask Gemini to act as a senior developer to review this code and suggest improvements for performance, readability, and scalability. It helps to improve code without a human reviewer, great for solo developers. You can give a sample program and your prompt to make the model understand what you need to do. Number 2, we can generate SQL from natural language. It converts a natural language query into a SQL statement based on a sample schema. It is useful for developers who's working with databases and business teams who don't speak SQL. Next, we can use it to create REST API from specifications. It generates a fast API endpoint based on user requirements. It can turn project specs into working backend APIs instantly. Next, asking it to detect and fix vulnerabilities. It can scan this function for security flaws and suggest fixes. Sometimes security is critical. Use AI to reduce risk in your code base. Next, generate unit tests with edge cases. Use PyTest to do unit tests for a complex functions including edge cases. It can save tons of QA efforts effortlessly. These are the 5 prompts that can literally change the way you code. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.